party guests and their appetites. You can't please everybody, right? Well, Princess Diana's former personal astrologist and author of the Zodiac Cooks begs to differ. Penny Thornton says the best way to pick fabulous finger foods? Base it on your zodiac sign.
Every plant, every animal, every fish, everything has an astrological signature.
First up, Curious Gemini. This playful air sign craves travel and tends to have a love for all things Japanese.
I think the perfect mix here is a California roll, which mixes the seafood element and the avocado in that kind of nice, spicy Japanese flavorings with that.
Next, Caring Cancer is the sign of the crab.
So for Cancer, I've gone very literally towards the sign itself. So I'm using crab, and I'm making crab cakes with a remoulade.